This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. Let's do a sound check. And then let's ask ourselves, why am I here? I think it's going to be as bad as I'm thinking here. I'm thinking it's going to be as bad as I'm thinking. Does that make sense? I'm also freezing like the fucking air conditioning is on. Volume 163,000. I've never seen that low in the morning. Seriously, never. I can't say I've checked every morning. I can't say it hasn't been that low ever before, but I haven't seen it that low. The morning number, Omnius, muted. Oh, no, I did a sound check. You almost got me. You almost got me. I'm so friggin' tired. I've been sleeping like shit lately. So I'm going to be making a lot of stupid jokes and laughing at them myself. Wow, what a day. It looks like an EKG. I swear to God, the chart looks like an EKG. Oh, my God. Oh. Okay, so I don't know. Huge announcement! I'm pregnant. Yeah, we'll talk about some of the specials that are going on. And what I heard on the grapevine doesn't mean it's true, but I'll let you know what I heard. Spoiler alert. Even though there's some huge specials right now that seem amazing, there's even crazier stuff coming down after the weekend, if I understood correctly. And if it's not after the weekend, then it's after Christmas. I don't know. There's some crazy shit that's supposed to be happening, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I'm only a bird on the wire. Don't kill the messenger. How are we doing? Okay, not bad. Getting up there. Getting up there. Well, we can we look for a trade? Should we look for a trade? That's actually my plan today, is to make it into, wow, look at that. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be streaming till 3 in the afternoon. But I can use this as a practice session. Maybe. I mean, there was an entry right here. I like that entry. It's not really an official entry. It's not it hasn't met all the qualifying conditions. But I could have taken it if I'm really bored. I got a trade over here. A couple of ones are coming in. Look, 1-to-1 is 1-to-1, eh? No trade, no trade. 1-to-1. Yeah, there's a couple of setups. Stevenson 6 in the morning. 1-to-1 is 1-to-1. You just change your size. That's all. Let's adjust our size. Let's get up the Robbie Road Rage indicator. There we go. Let's get those fancy buttons up and running. And what's next? Take a look at the 30-minute chart. I don't know. It's irrelevant. I wouldn't even apply those assumptions and statistics today. But anyways, we didn't sweep both sides of the Asia session. 340. We have about a 50-point range since the open. It's only going to get worse, I think, as Europe closes. And We're below VWAP, we're below previous day's close. So we're bearish. That's what I wanted to get to. Below VWAP, below previous day's close. We're at 25,304. Very unlikely we're going to take out October's close at 26,000 by the end of November. Oh, we got a little boost there, even though it's at 920. Give me a sec, guys. I need a sweater, and I got to turn on the heat. I don't know. I swear to God, I think someone's playing a joke on me here and turned on the air conditioner. Give me just a sec. Mic on. Hello, are we live? Hello? Testing, 1, 2. Is the mic working? Is the mic working? Do you hear anything? Hello? No, it's not working? You think it broke? I'm fucking with you. There's no one here. I'm talking to nobody, and the mic is working. These are just some of the things we do. Smooth operator. I got good news and bad news. The good news is I'm really going to enjoy my time off today. The bad news is there's no giveaway. Today's Ask Mike Anything, huge announcements, and live active trading room. I think I'm going to be taking hundreds of trades today. What are we doing on the daily? Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at the daily. Tell your husband congratulations. I am tired, man. No one is going to enjoy their time off today like as much as I am. I have no idea why I'm here. My boy is smart. He's in bed, the blanket up to his chin, all cozy. He's got a heater in his room, the door closed, and the dog keeping him company. Sounds like a Christmas card. 166,000. Wow, look at that. We are making a move for the Christmas rally, yeah? Okay, well, maybe Christmas is going to be good. Maybe we need to be aggressive on the to the upside for the month of December. We'll see. Okay, well, I'm going to sit here and practice and see if we're going to catch any trades. Let's mark in the short side. The short side. Madman Antonio giveaway. No, what does the 4-hour look like? I don't have one, jiggity. There's no giveaway today, bud. Today is a quiet day. Thanksgiving's. Nothing today, nothing tomorrow. We're not doing qualifiers. We're not doing finals. But Madman Antonio, you missed some exciting shit yesterday. You were in the finals for yesterday's account. And you got to watch. I got to make a recap video or something, but you got to watch it. Are you in the Discord? I can send you a DM with a private link. I changed the game up. I played Find the Tile. You have to flip. Everyone got to play individually, and everyone was the master of their own destiny. You had to find the winning tile out of 25. Everyone played on their own, one after the other, all the finalists. And I said, if anyone's not there, somebody will be their proxy. Anyways, long story short, ERB, who won in the morning, found the winning tile in 5 picks out of 25 tiles. You weren't supposed to be last, but we waited. You didn't show up. So I said, okay, ERB, you're the winner so far with 5. He's going to be the proxy and have to pick for you. I swear to God, I'm not making this up. We're never going to match this kind of drama. He actually picked it when playing for you, he picked it in 5. There was a tie. He took it from himself. We had to do a showdown. In the end, when the showdown, it was you against him. He got it in markets are open. He got it in 10. And then, oh no, it's true, he didn't pick for you again. The Femi picked for you on the second round and didn't make it. Picked 10 tiles and but wow, what a night. That was fun. Yeah, I don't have 4-hour. But what I can do for you, Omnius, here's the half an hour and I'll compress it. I'll compress it 8 times. There's the 4-hour. I know what the 4-hour looks like. It looks like a chart. Pum. I can invent a trade right here. A short with a really tight stop right now. 98.02, a stop at 12. That would be a 3-point stop. I'm not taking it though, but it would be an interesting trade. Wow, look at the crazy volatility. The first candle, 8 points. When are you going to get to see a 1-minute candle that's only 8 points? That's why I showed up. I wanted to see a 1-minute opening candle that was only 8 points. Coming up to VWAP. Previous day's close at 25,314. We got through it. We got through 25,314. We're at 25,314 and a quarter right now. We're going parabolic. We're at 25,314 and 3/4. We almost touched 25,315. The 2-minute opening range. Let's look for that. Maybe that might be if we can break 25,316. So what's the size? It's telling me that if I go short, only a size of 3. No kidding. Even in this. Markets close officially at 1 o'clock Eastern time, New York time. So if anybody's out there trading, just be aware of that. Don't have any trades open. Oof, I trade, therefore I am. Why don't you come on the stream, Omnius? You can hear all my bad jokes without an 8-second delay. Everything got sorted out yesterday. ERB got his Taurus Arena account. And then I sent him in the evening his Bulenox code for his account. And for now, I looked around last night. Again, I had some spare time. I closed up early, 7:30. My wife was exhausted from shopping at Costco. She went to bed early, so I spent some time on the computer. I don't know. This fundedfuturesnetwork.com deal is looking amazing. What is it? $37.50 for a 50K account, no activation fee. How insane is that? Anybody planning on getting Thanksgiving's accounts? Use code FLOOR. Or any firm that you're interested in that I'm affiliated with. Always appreciate it. Like I wrote in one of my descriptions. Puts a smile on the wife's face. Apex has their $10 activation on a 100K. That's another great deal. Bulenox, 85% recurring. I had my credit card ready for the 91%, even though it was at the end of the month. I guess 85% is as good as they're going to do. Taurus has a no activation for as little as $60, Taurus Arena. And that's what we got for now. And I'm going to take a trade. For how many? Nothing crazy. Let's do a 3-lot. Let's try short market and let's see if the button works. Hey, what happened? Wasn't the button supposed to work? No way. Really? Is that how it works? I didn't even know. Well. Okay. It took it on the SIM account. Look what I'm missing. Look what I'm missing. I don't know. This is all wrong. Why is my take profit all the way down there? Well, that was a $50 throwaway or more. What can you do? Let's go figure out. Accidents will happen. Order entry buttons. Edit strategy. My take profit is wrong. We got to figure out what's wrong with my take profit settings. Limit order. Entry. Risk to reward. Custom position amount. No, I'm not using that. Stop. That would surrender. Target. Final target 5-1. No. Final target is 1-1. There's my mistake. And dual target? I think I'd like to use a dual target. Split between the two. I'd be interested. Nah. Final target 1-1. Okay, there was the error. Look at the huge trade I missed. And actually, that was an official entry too. We can actually call that a winner. So for the week, I am 4 and good morning, Skeletor. I'm 5-2 now. I did take it. I did call it. Unfortunately, I took it on sim by accident. Even though I wasn't on sim, it actually took it on sim because I used the trade saber. Sparky, be quiet. I gave you Skeletor. Today is Ask Mike Anything. Anything. Happy Thanksgiving, Skeletor. Skeletor. Oh, yeah, it's true. You're in the US. Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving. Ours was last month. Yeah, you can ask me anything. I didn't say I'll answer. I'm in the mood for music, which is rare. You know why? Because I'm not concentrating. I don't need to. Slow? Are you kidding me? The opening candle was 8 points. The opening 1 minute candle. It looks like an EKG when you compress the chart. I swear to God, it looks. Look at this. This is the 1 minute. It looks like an EKG. Sparky, don't bother me. I'll tell you, if you're going to look, well, did we sweep a low? Or any to see if I can take a long now. I think within a 10-point range, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And anywhere between 25,305 and 25,295, any level swept a low. Mike said that he was pregnant, but he wouldn't say whether his husband was happy about it or whether or not it was a girl or a boy. That's the huge announcement. No, the huge announcement is that I've been hearing chatter that there's going to be some crazy specials coming out after the weekend. I don't even know if it's true. Can't confirm. We'll see. I'm eager to see. I don't know how much crazier you can get than $10 activation fee with Apex and no activation for $37.50 with funded futures network. Seriously? Okay, there's a sweep. Not only is a sweep, that's a major sweep. That's a big brush sweep. We took out the entire pre-market session low right there. The pre-market session is the blue box. I'm interested. I'm looking for a long now if we get a setup, if we get the rest of the conditions met. I'll take another trade, this time in the proper account. Click on long range, setup. How does this work? What if I do buy high? Does it? I puts in a stop order, I think. Shit. Again, the wrong account. Mike, fix it. Anyways, let's see. They're supposed to be, didn't I go live? Why is it live? It doesn't place in the order? I thought it actually puts in a stop order. It keeps it quiet? Okay. Anyway, shut it down. Let's make sure we have no positions. I'm still learning how to use the Trade Saber thing. It's still a great product. I mean, it's free. It's still a great thing to have on your chart. I just don't know how to use it. Exactly. Okay, we're going to get a long entry. 96, 86, 10 points, 20. I'll take let's have some fun. Last time I got in early, I paid the price. It didn't even trigger. I'm in early. There's 4 seconds left. I'll let you know if the trade triggers. Yeah, the trade triggered. Okay, let's see the 50%. I'm in for a 3 lot. Again, we took out the pre-market. That's the 6 to 930. We took out the pre-market lows. How often the market likes to take out the pre-market lows and then go take out the pre-market highs. So, you know what? I like, because you have the break even and other options. Yeah, it's a really good piece of work. Like I said, I just got to learn how to use it properly. I know he has a video out. He has a video out. And it's like probably 15 minutes. It's simple. When you're just trying to figure it out on your own. And you have all those buttons. I'm pretty sure there was somewhere where you put in I'm certain there's a stop order that gets placed when you press buy high and sell low. I'm not sure why it's not appearing. Maybe even I disabled it. Who knows? Okay, wish me luck on this trade. I will add it to 50%, so let's get that in manually by limit. I'll add to this trade at the 50%. And let's target VWAP on this. Why not? Got nothing else to do anyways. In the meantime, I'm going to get some music going. What do I want to listen to? $9.44 news. You can set break even hotkey in NinjaTrader. Yeah, but this is all in one package, and you got all the buttons right there. And I don't like using hotkeys anyways. I got fat fingers. I'll end up using it all the time. Wow, look at the trade rocketing higher. I'm up 4 points. You know what? It's not the fact that I'm up 4 points. It's the fact that I'm having a good time. Do we have any games worth playing? What do I got? I got beat the dealer, find the tile. Now, all of them take up too much space. All of them take up too much space. So if this were my son's trade, he would be at break even already. He would have moved the stop to break even because it hit the 50%. Once he hits the 50%, he's protecting the trade, not me. I let it go. I told him to track that to see how many go to break even and then go to target, because my God, I can't tell you how many times he comes to me and tells me I hit break even, then it went to target. I hit break even and it went to target. I don't hear him coming and telling me often it hit break even. And then it would have gotten stopped out. I don't want to play find the tile. Oh my God, it's true. That was another crazy part of yesterday. Wow. Yeah, Skeletor. It took 25 picks to find the tile out of 25 tiles. Did you dream about it? Did you have nightmares? You know what? That's an omen for good things to come. Because reversion to the mean. The next time, it's gonna be a low number. That way, you can average out about 12. You'll average 12, so you'll get it in the first 4 picks. Skeletor, you want to have some fun? You're an OG. Let's see, are there people in the room? Are they going to feel like I'm playing favorites? Or is it quiet? If it's really quiet, no trade, Omnius? No trade, Omnius. That's what we call him. I'm going to get a shirt that says no trade, Omnius. That's going to be his nickname. See, I would have gotten stopped out if I moved my stop to break even. Now let's see what happens. Everything now is gravy. Well, I don't know. I mean, if I'm looking at the markets right now based on the open, I kind of see a bearish dealing range that we did about a 50% retrace. Fortnite and kids fighting. So I don't know. I'm not optimistic that this trade will win. Why is my stop? Oh, no, that's a buy limit. I was going to say, why is my stop there? No, that's a buy limit to add. Yeah, he's got his hands full. I like this trade much better when I get filled at the ad. I like that ad entry. That's the entry that puts green dollars in the account. No, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it wins all the time, but the risk is so small. You know what? Let's just mark off the levels. I'm not a big fan of the, I don't know, the fib is kind of interfering. And we got to change the default color of these lines. I don't like green. I mean, I don't like blue because I already have blue. I have blue for a couple of things. I have blue for my pre-market box. I have blue for VWAP. Okay, well, if we hit the top green line, Sparky, leave me alone. We're 5-2 on the week. I already took a trade, although it was accidentally taken on sim, but it was called out in advance. And let's see what this one does. So I'm 5-2. I can make it 6-2 or 5-3. 5-3 doesn't sound that good, eh? It's only 62% accurate. I hope I don't get stopped out. We are trading below VWAP. We are trading below previous day's close. So it's kind of bearish. Since this move lower, we have not had a close above a previous swing high. If we can get a close over 25,300, that would be encouraging for my trade. No, the music. Sparky, no, that's enough, Sparky. You're over the limit. What's a good playlist to put up? I'm tired of Journey. I overdid it on the Journey songs. You know what? I'm going to try something different. While we're here waiting to make 1 point. Ray. What's a ray? Not interested in a ray. No! Don't fill me on the extra and then go quickly against me. Don't like stop me out in 2 seconds. Okay, so the ad over here is for a 3 lot. These 2 sections are 1-to-1. If I can get out of that 3 lot over here, that's a little bit more than 1-to-1 on the half mark here. That'll mean my original entry will have very little risk to it. So I'm happy with that. Kind of makes it a risk-free trade if I get filled. And you see that here's the problem. Herein lies the problem. No problem. Sorry. I was going to say the markets love to, especially on a day like today, to go and just take out this low and then change directions. But it's not supposed to, so I guess I should stop out, right? Because you know what happens if I don't put in my stop? It's going to go down to 25,270 in a shot and make me pay for it. It's not going to wick it. It's going to collapse. So stop limit, sell stop, market. A trade is a trade. If you can stop, oh, a little too high. If you can stop me out, you can stop me out. There you go. Well, there was a lot of there were a lot of good setups. You know, I'm going to give it a little more. You know what? Fuck off. For a day like today, I can afford 6 more points. Who the hell cares? Who the hell cares? 6 more points, one way or the other, right? I think I'm begging to be stopped out by just putting it under there. It's like giving a gift to my opponents. What's ES doing? Anything interesting? I don't think anybody's doing anything interesting, but let's just see if there's any. Oh, I'm kidding, eh? ES is a lot stronger than NQ. Getting a little bit of a push higher. Given that ES is so much stronger than NQ, I'm going to lighten up. I'm above my entry price. Get rid of that and get rid of that and put my stop over here for 3. Okay, that's good enough for today. We don't need to do more than that for a dead day like that, like it is. Hey, hotkeys don't work. Hey, telling me hotkeys. Why are hotkeys not working? Chart marker. Alt F8. Alt F8 doesn't want to work. Okay, don't work. Well, we got ahead a little bit on the trade. I don't need a line for the stop out. We know what we're using. Oh, wow, this account's really not going anywhere today, huh? Not yet. Mikey? Yeah, it's not that. It's enough. It's 10 o'clock already. I've been here for a half an hour in one trade. This is a new record for me. Sparky, stop it. Not supposed to interfere with a chart, but I think if I just hang around here, we still did not get a close above a previous swing, a swing high. Until we get that, it's looking like I'm going to get stopped out. We got to let's get to 25,300. Hey, yeah, it's true. That was the level that Omnius was talking about. Again, the 25,300, 25,400. Did we get as high as 25,400 yesterday? We did? No, we didn't. Sorry, 364. Let me bring it in a little tighter right there. 371. No, we didn't get up to 400. I got prematurely excited. Sorry. Yeah, still haven't managed to close above a recent swing high. So the trend is still bearish right now for scalping on the micro time frame side of things. But honestly, today's a day really just to take it easy, maybe practice. Don't take it seriously. Or you take one trade, you know, like hold this trade here and just ride it till the other side of the, remember the thesis of this trade was the blue box. The blue box is the pre-market range, 6 to 930. Markets have a habit of taking out the pre-market levels and then going to the other side. So that's a strategy. We can hold this all the way up to 25,325. 25, that would be 33 points. That would be a decent trade. And let it run all day. Come back at 12:30. If I haven't been taken out. Oh, it's true. I had some coding to do. I wanted to get that done. I have an idea I want to code. A little alarm. So I miss less trades while I'm distracted with other things. Strategy builder. Let's see if I can code it. I think I'll be able to. We'll try it. I'll just do one side first. I'll do the long side first. Oof. I'm getting dizzy watching charts that aren't doing anything. New strategy. Next. AA003. Getting bored, guys, but this is good practice. It's good practice for holding. Copy, paste, paste. I'll be more hopeful on this trade if, like I said, we can get above 25,300 and close. Above 25,300. 1, 2, and 3. Is that correct? 1, 2, and 3. Copy, paste. You guys can let me know if it happens. 3. Okay. The range is 3.44. The volume is 184,000. Not surprising on either of those numbers. Oh my God. I thought my son was taking the day off. I hear him in the other office. No, he's watching the markets too, wasting his time. I just heard him laughing. Come on, give a little bit of a spurt. Let's get a premature momentification. Looks like it's Looked like it was trying. Okay, boom, boom, boom. And what's the other condition? What's the other condition? I don't know if I'll be able to code this. I already made a mistake. It's 1 and 2. One and 3. Still didn't get a close. And 1 and 4. Two, three, 4, 1, and 0. Add. Price, close, 0. Still trying to get that close. Can we call that a bull flag, bear flag? Can we call it a flag without even the word bull or bear in front of it? It's trying. It really is. There we go. A little bit of a stretch. A little bit of a morning stretch. Always feels good. Let's get up to 306. Wow, can you believe it? 306. 6 points away, and it looks like a huge target. Well, we got the close. Okay. Going back down? Not surprised. Not surprised. Well, at least I didn't lose, right? Or am I talking prematurely? You know what? We can get up to 91, 95, 05. Yeah, no, 05 is a definite target. I'm going to get out at 05. 05 is a definite target. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hurry up. Might get in your limit order. 04 1/4. That's there we go. Taken out already. Told you 05 was a definite target. Where does he get those numbers from? You're scratching your head, huh? Renko, baby. I'm looking at the Renko chart. The pattern indicated that 05 was going to get hit. And we're pretty much there. So, and that put me up 64 for the day, and which is good because Apex considers $50 to be a day that counts. So, I'm green. I can enjoy my day off, even if it runs more. Like I said, if I had any balls, I would target the other side of the pre-market range at 25, 325, especially on a day like today. But it's quiet. There's no volume. There's no range. I got VWAP above me. I got previous day's close above me. What for? I made a day. Tiny little day. But who cares? Wow. Yeah, NQ is quite a bit weaker. NQ was making lower highs, kind of stair-stepping. I mean, still like an EKG, but stair-stepping mildly lower. ES was kind of consolidating, but since about 5 in the morning, kind of making higher highs. So a different profile. ES is at the VWAP now. NQ is not yet. No. Strategy builder. I guess today's going to be a 1 cup of coffee kind of day. Get me the coffee. They don't make Zip Fizz flavored coffee. What's up? Okay. I was just going to make a joke, but no volume, so it wouldn't have worked. uh. Yeah, that's what I'm drinking. That's what I'm drinking. I'm drinking decaf. Everybody type in, hello, Megan. My daughter's on the in the stream during her break at work. She's gonna say, wow, how are people typing in? Hello, Megan. What did I want to do? I wanted to do something on my phone. I know I wanted to put on a playlist. That was a long time ago. There we go. We got one. Omnius. Thank you, Omnius. She just wrote it and laughed. Saw that. Okay, bye. Have to go. That was her message. That was a short break. Hola, Megan. You might even get her to reply with that. She likes Spanish. She speaks Spanish. Who's a good band to listen to today? Alanis Morissette. No, not Alanis Morissette. Sorry, wrong girl. What's the name of that girl that sang the song? Isn't it ironic? Don't you think? You're like rain on a rainy day. It's like rain on a rainy day. Good advice. It's not Alanis Morissette. It's the girl that sang a whole bunch of angry songs. Is it Alanis Morissette? Let me see. I don't think so. Alanis Morissette, isn't she a country song? Canadian singer, yeah. Looks like her, maybe. Ironic, yeah. Alanis Morissette. And who was I thinking of? I was thinking she was somebody else. Alanis Morissette. The girl that sings Black Velvet. Who's the girl that sings Black Velvet? That girl I don't like. That's why I thought Alanis Morissette is Black Velvet. Who sings Black Velvet? Chat GPT. Who sings Black Velvet? Alana Miles. Ah, you can see how I could confuse them. Alana Miles and Alanis Morissette. Okay, fair enough. I wasn't far off. It wasn't like it was Gina Lollobrigida or anything like that. Alana Miles, Alanis Morissette. You know, early morning, coffee's not finished. Easy mistake to make. Let's go for Alanis Morissette playlist. That's what I'm in the mood for. And she's Canadian. Jagged Little Pill. That was the name of the album, wasn't it? 13 videos. Okay. Did she ever come out with more than one album? Anybody know? Okay, I raised the volume so I won't hear you guys. If you guys say anything, you're going to have to type it out in the chat. How we doing? Still hanging around the 25,305. Omnius, you listen to music? I don't know how you control yourself and not sing accidentally. Seriously. She was cute. I liked her look. They were very unique, her songs. Like I'm listening now to Jagged Little Pill. Good song. Wow, I haven't heard this in a long time. Fuck, would you guys laugh if I start singing? Especially the high parts. Okay, well, I'm out of the trade. I don't need the arrows anymore, right? Over here. I was there just to let me know where to take profit. Looks like I called it to the almost to the point. Mm-hmm. And let's finish the rest of my code. Today's a good day to go for pizza with my son. What do you guys think? He's not going to find a trade. Duplicate in new tab. Two, three. No. Cancel. Hey, cool dude. How you doing? Happy Thanksgivings to you. Copy. Paste. Paste. 111, right? 111. 234. I had a weird dream today. I made 250 million in the lottery. Wow, that's a fun dream. Yeah, I'd like to know what that feels like. You know what? That's one thing we'll never know what it feels like, eh? When you check your numbers and you find out you're the Powerball winner. The disbelief, the double checking, the who do you tell first? Are, are you going to tell your wife? Yeah. You're going to make me go from Alice in Chains. Alice? Is it Alice in Chains? No, wasn't it Alice in Chains? I'm going to have to listen to a song that's going to make me want to jump off my roof. I don't know. I shouldn't say that. I have no idea what song that is. I'm not familiar with Alice in Chains. I'm assuming it's a girl. It might be a guy band, for all we know. Omnius is shaking his head. I know it. I feel it. I smell it from here. Remove. Give me a minute, Mr. Alice in Chains. Copy. Paste. Alice in Chains. Okay, let's get it. Let's see what that is. Let's interrupt my Alanis Morissette playlist for Alice in Chains. We have a request. Hey, wow, I haven't seen you in a bit, Liquid Rider. Well, at least you got to feel in a dream what it's like to be a winner. Okay, Alice in Chains. Alice, which song is it? Nutshell. It's Alice in Chains, rock band. Don't you ever listen to country music? Oh my God. It's a guy with a guitar. Should I listen to the MTV Unplugged version or the official version with 27 million views? It doesn't look like I'm going to enjoy it because they're showing a weird kid looking into a bottle with flies in it. Official with a question mark. MTV. How's trading been this past month for y'all? It's been pretty damn good for me. Especially this week. I added a new rule. MTV from MTV, but that's unplugged. That's like no band, no nothing. That's probably a better version for me, kind of guy that I am. Look, they're already clapping. It hasn't even started. It's rigged. They don't even know. Brooklyn Academy of Music. No kidding. Yeah, I started to add in my stops. Actually, not just mentally, but they're actually heart stops, and it's made a big change. It can change your life, yeah. After I never listen to it again. My life will be better. Let's see, wait, let's give it a fair shot. I'm open to all new ideas. It's already reminding me of something, though. I can't tell what. Oh, Hotel California. Yeah, because I'm listening to the Unplugged. It's just a bunch of guitars. Hotel California. Now that's a good song. Okay, let's take. Oh. That's Alice? The guy with the short hair singing? Hey. I liked Alice Cooper, by the way. Not making fun. No giveaways today, but yeah, show up. We have all kinds of stuff going on. Yesterday was crazy. We're never going to match the drama from last night. Really, I don't think it's possible. Seriously. Yesterday was just absolutely crazy. I couldn't have scripted. Something better than what happened last night. Okay, forget the Unplugged. It's a little too slow. Let's go to the real version. Let's actually hear what this song sounds like. And then we're going to listen to Hotel California. Both of them. Even the official one starts with... Okay, we'll let it go. Short summary. Well, we did a pick the tile kind of a game. You know, you have to turn over a tile. There was 12 finalists. Each one played separately. The one who found the winning tile in the fastest amount of picks would win. But one player was missing. It was Madman Antonio, one finalist. So I said, we'll leave him to last. He wasn't there. And someone will proxy and pick for him. Anyways, short story, ERB was the winner up until the last one with five picks. He found the winning tile in 5 picks out of 25. And I told him, okay, now you're going to play against yourself. You're going to pick for Madman Antonio and maybe beat yourself because he was getting the Bulenox account. And he actually picked it in 5. He tied himself. He had to do it over again. Play for himself and then play for Madman Antonio and try to... Yeah, it really was. But in the end, he got the account. No, I thought I knew this song, and it's a really short song. Because it's like 4 minutes. Well, not really, but it's passing fast. Does it get better? Does it get better? When does the song start? No, I went to like the 3-minute mark, and it sounds the same. Okay. Hotel California it is. I can go for a good Hotel California. You know what? No. You know what song puts me in a good mood? Phil Collins, In the Air Tonight, live. Not that one. There it is. Phil Collins in the air tonight, live, 1080p. 11 years ago. 75 million views. 3 times as many views. And it's not even the official Phil Collins channel. I don't know what I'm listening to. It's showing me a Joker. Wow, this is good. This I would play. This is almost worth getting a copyright strike for. Yeah, it is. Hmm. Hmm. What's up with you? Oh yeah, I mean, that what he does at the drums, it's insane, man. Everyone waits for that part. What a voice on him, though. Also very unique. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, sorry. See, I'm humming. I didn't even realize it. That's what I'm saying. Darius, Omnius. I have no idea how you're not humming and singing when you're listening to music. I can't. It's an in French automatism. You can't avoid it. I was humming there. Most of my music doesn't hum. It hums. It all hums. You can hum to anything. Okay, let's have a little fun. I'm bored. I'm bored. Let's do it for whoever's here. What do I want to do? 20%, 10%, making it easy. Well, I'm giving away a freebie here. I don't want to make it too easy. 4. I think 4 is a fair number for a day when there shouldn't have been a giveaway. Let's start with Lick Raider. Pick 4 tiles. I hope this doesn't. I hope this doesn't do too much damage to the portfolio free accounts that I have. Darius, pick four tiles. If you get the winning tile with 4 picks, I'll give you a Bulenox 50K account for Thanksgivings. Skeletor, you're up next, and whoever's up, you'll all have one shot. Why not? In the meantime, while I hum away to my music. Oh, he's getting ready to sit down at the drums. This is it. This is the moment. Impulse. Where is Impulse? I don't have Impulse. Or am I not reading? How do you have Impulse and I don't have Impulse? Impulse? Impulse. All right. There you go. Try again. Look at them having so much fun over there. Let me make it full screen. What's after Impulse? Third row. Yeah. Range. 2 more. I like all kinds of music. I like David Guetta. Dance music, house music, rock, classic rock. Pivot and fractal. I see fractal. Pivots first. Doesn't matter, but no. And the last one, fractal. I tried. Oh, where is it? Let's find it. No, 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 no. There we go. It was in the middle. Gap. Right in the middle. Skeletor, you're next. Wow. I swear the live one is probably one of the best YouTube music videos, really. I mean, I guess it depends on what you like, right? But Journey from Houston in 1981 also. Oh, sorry, Skeletor. I was, Pattern Candle TP. No, Skeletor. You only get 4. Stop. Stop. You only get 4. Pattern Candle TP and Gamma. If you can get it in 4, you win. I didn't say pick 25. 4. Somebody stop him. Explain him the rules. I'm going back. 4. Let me type that in the chat. Hold on. Maybe Skeletor's got headphones on. Maybe he's also listening to the Phil Collins song. There we go. Skeletor, you get 4 picks. Okay, I'll let you go again. Underneath my oh, it's true. I forgot to compile. Oh, maybe I forgot. Okay, underneath my text over there, type in another 4. In the meantime, I got to fix my default input 0 less than low 1. Default input 0. Edit less than low 1. Let me just make this. Come on, edit less than low 1. Okay. Edit. down, red, set, price, high, tick, 16, and 1, right? 1, okay. Well, okay, anyways, I think that's right. Let me just compile this and then we'll get to you, Skelly. Away, computer. There we go. Compiled. Okay, sorry for the delay. Had a few things. Whoa, this is like too loud already. My ears are ringing. Okay, Skeletor, you get 4 picks. If you get it, you win a Bulenox account. Under there, I have PDAC from the last night. Exit. Oh, he changed them. I'm so curious to see. Could you imagine he wins? He went from pattern, candle, TP, and gamma to exit, setup, range, and delta. Exit. Where is it? Exit. Exit, exit, exit. I don't see exit. Oh, right there. Try again. Setup. I'm trying. Range. Oh my God, he gets it. He gets it. Way to go, Skeletor. And this, I changed the image and it didn't change. Skeletor, you got it. I have to click refresh. I was sure you don't have to click refresh, but I guess it loads it in memory. Skeletor, you got it. You got it. What did you pick? Exit, set, range. You didn't have it in the first one. Your changes got it. But look what I changed it to. Let me do F5 to reload the game. And let's pull it up. There we go. I changed it to this, but it didn't load. I was hoping you would win. I was saying, let the poor guy win. That was another one, Darius. Skeletor was the first one to play last night. I'm not making this up. He was the first one to play last night, and he got it on his 25th pick, and there's 25 tiles. He got it on the last one. Really, that's what I'm saying. I'll never match that kind of drama. Skeletor, I'll send you a DM in the Discord. I'll give you a Bulenox code. Is there anybody else? Is there anybody else? Cool dude. Smooth operator. Yeah, poor guy. And what'd you get it in? You got it in 3, eh? You got it in 3. That's like a new record. 5 so far is the record. You're holding the record. Now I told you. Did I not tell you, Skeletor? Mean reversion. It's going to balance out because on average, hey, what did I say? On average, you're going to be about 12 if you were to play this, 100 times or a whole bunch of times. It's got to average out. Look at that. You went from 25 to 3. Your average now is 14. Let's change the image in case somebody else comes by and wants to play. Find the tile. Let's see what else we got. Now I know I have to click. Now I know I have to click. Delete. I have to click F5. I have to refresh it. Delete. Wow, what a shame that I didn't press F5. But then again, if I pressed F5, maybe you wouldn't have won. What a shame. What a shame. You know, it should access the file. Man, that would have been really, really good. Still. Okay, so looks like my exit at 05 was very good. Where else could I have had a trade? I could have had a trade. Man, not really. Here, yeah. Could have had a trade here. That would have gone 1 for 1. No. And no. Could have had one more trade today. Gone 1 for 1. Guys, I'll read the chat in a sec. Changing the image to my favorite image. Okay. Thanks, Mike. You're welcome. Skeletor. Boom. Nightbot. Nightbot. Okay. That's it. Cool dude took off. Smooth operator took off. It's too bad. Smooth operator always shows up early. Maybe he's just not listening. Maybe he's got, maybe we should type it out. It is possible he's not listening. Oh, no, it's true. They don't watch, but they listen. Yeah, okay. That's funny. Okay, what am I looking for? Okay, there we go. Smooth operator. Yeah, I guess he's not there. What's going on? HTTP server. Anybody know why that's running? What does it look like we're going to do? Looks like we're going to trade between 25,305 and 25,291. Give me a second, guys. I think you can still hear me. My mic is there. Yes, it is. Control, copy. Okay, there you go, Skeletor. I sent you your code. That was fun. We're waiting on Smooth Operator. I want to play one more. Market is closing in 2 hours. Yeah, I'm not going to stick around, but I want to play one more. Cool dude. Smooth Operator, where are you? Are you kidding? And the closer we get, there's only been 30,000 contracts traded since the open. On a normal day, that usually takes about, no joke, 20 seconds? You're welcome, Skelly. You deserve it. You deserve it for so many reasons. Yesterday. That gave me a laugh. You stuck with us through thick and thin. You deserve it. I was rooting for you, and I wanted your the little logo to show up. But more important is that I didn't click refresh, because you know what? If I would have refreshed it, who knows what would have happened. Okay, well, let's do that. And I guess Smooth Operator is not here, nor Cool Dude, so the casino is closed. Nothing to see here, ladies and gentlemen. The casino is closed. There we go. We got Beat the Dealer. If anybody wants to play Beat the Dealer is up. Beat the Dealer version 2. All you got to do is type in the name of a tile. You pick your tile. Dealer will play against you. It's just for fun. It's for... you know what? But this is also a good way to pick finalists. Now that I think about it. If you beat the dealer, we go through attrition. You know, so let's say 12 people play. If 6 people win, now they continue to play. Again, they play a second round, those 6. From those 6, let's say 4 people beat the dealer, they play another round until we get down to 1 winner. I like that. That's a good idea. We're going to do that. Omnius, what do you think? Get a bunch of people playing Beat the Dealer. Everybody plays at one time. I can probably automate that all on my own. I don't even have to do anything. I don't have to keep track of who's typing in exclamation mark giveaway. I'll play the first round. I'm going to choose Omega. $11. Doesn't look like I'm beating the dealer. Dealer picks 55. Why do I call it Beat the Dealer over here? There he is, goes with momentum. I don't see momentum on the new board. Now you got to wait till it resets. It resets. In the meantime, Delta. Is there a Delta? No, guys, you got to let it reset. It's one game. Omnius long. 48. Dealer picks. 55. Give it a few seconds. It'll reset. I don't have a reset button. I guess I should put in a reset button, eh? I just put in a timer. Okay, well, we'll make a change. I'll tell you, I'll put in a... It's rigged. Come on. You're the master of your destiny on this one. Ah, Skeletor. I got to remember to tell ERB also. Volatility. Volatility. Right in the middle. I like the middle one all the time. You see? You never lose. Always pick the middle tile. Manual player wins. Well, the code's not there yet. Eventually it'll know it was Skeletor. Manual player. You're a manual player. You win. Yeah. My theory is that when it's doing random generation, it probably reverts to the middle quite often. Bias. Bias. Is there a bias on the new board? Wow, pizza smell. I'm already smelling it. Yeah, there is. 27. Dealer picks. 13. Way to go. Nice one. Another win for the manual player. Skeletor. If I understood correctly, don't let that account renew. I'll have to confirm it, but I think Bulenox told me if it renews at full price. And you certainly don't want that to happen. You're going to be pretty, you'd be pretty pissed if you paid on a renewal. I don't even know what they charge for it. Let's say, I think it's like $150. So you know what? I think even I'm going to make notes of it, and I'm going to remind you guys. Look at that. Look at that customer service I have, eh? What's the date today? Yeah, I don't want you guys to get shafted like that. That wouldn't be fun. On the 11, oh shit, that's going to be Christmas time. Okay, around Christmas, 12/20. Around 12/20, ERB and Skeletor. I'll remind you guys to make sure that account is either passed, blown, or canceled. I make a note of it. Remind. But if I don't remind you, and if I forget, I'm letting you know now. Your next bill. Yes, next bill. 12/27, 175 recurring. Oh, wow. You were able to see that. I didn't even know. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so make sure you set an alarm. Do what you need to do. Do you guys celebrate Thanksgiving in Canada? Is it called something else? We do. It's in October. We do it a month before you guys. We're greedy. We want to get the specials earlier. We want to get our Christmas shopping out of the way as fast as we can. Why is my new strategy not working? Where are my arrows? Where have my arrows gone? There's one arrow. Seriously? It can't draw in two? You're joking. Do y'all do turkey? Well, my wife likes to do the turkey, but it's a shitload of work. I'm not a fan. I fight to order pizza. She fights to do a turkey. And then she wins, because if she doesn't win, the kids complain. But in all fairness and in all honesty, we didn't do turkey this year, though. I don't remember what we did. I think we did pasta. I think we did spaghetti. What's on the menu for Canadian Thanksgiving? Yeah, turkey, that cranberry gel, sauce, mashed potatoes. That's normally what it is. But not this year. This year was spaghetti and garlic bread. I was happy. Less work for me. Where is my green arrow? I want my green arrow. New strategy builder. I love it. Beautiful. Look how it moved over. Alarm. Next. Next, 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 next. Edit. Oh, look at that little dump, eh? Oh my God. Omnius. I think we're crashing. I think we're crashing. We've gone from 25,302 to 25,293. Yeah. Tag. Set the tag. What's the tag on this? Arrow down to. Okay. Okay. Back. Set. Arrow up one. Okay. Okay. Compile. I hope I didn't make a mistake. Really not in the mood for okay. And close. And nope, it's not giving me the up arrow. Well, we'll see what happens. Maybe there's only one arrow per customer. I don't know. Did we all hit that like button? We all get a chance to hit the like button. Okay. Let's compress the chart a little bit, see what. Ah, look at that. We did take out the range. Think anybody? Yeah, always. Oh, for the like. I thought you meant for taking out the range. Yeah, it is what the market also always does. I hope nobody chased. Yeah, I remember. You know what now also? Oh, you don't see it. Minimize. Game. Why I didn't like this Trade Saber. One of the reasons why I didn't like it is because his box is so big. It takes up so much space on the chart. And I tried to code it or recode it or encode it or change the code so that it's smaller, but it didn't work. Oh, there we go. I got my arrow. I got my arrow up. Guys, these arrows do not mean go long and go short. So do not take any actions based on those arrows. They're there just for me. I'm just looking to alert myself to a certain condition at times because sometimes my eyes aren't on the screen. There's an audio alert also. A little turn the box off. Can you? I don't think you can. Can you turn that box off? The problem is it gives you the position size, and that's what I want it for. You know what? He's a really nice guy. I used to email him back and forth a little bit. He helped me with my coding in the early days quite a bit. I was stuck on a lot of things. I don't know why I didn't use GPT, but let's take a 3 lot over here. Even though the markets are dead, I'll take a 3 lot there. But yeah, maybe I'll just send him a little note and tell him that I'm using his order entry strategy, I guess you can call it. It's not a strategy, but it's in the strategies folder. Excuse me. And then I would like to make it a shit ton smaller, at least half the size. I mean, seriously, it's like for blind people, it's so big. Maybe there's a setting. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, let's get back to Alanis Morissette. I was supposed to listen to a playlist, and instead I only got one song. And we went from Alanis to Alice. Alice Cooper. You know what? I'm going to listen to an Alice Cooper song. School's out. When was the last time you guys listened to an Alice Cooper song? Wow. Is he even still alive? Let's find out. I don't know his real name. Is Alice Cooper still alive? Drum roll, please. Searching. Yes, as of now, the rock legend Alice Cooper is still alive. His latest public appearance and his health status. Well, I don't want to know his health status. I'm not his doctor. But yeah, let's go to YouTube. Wow, I'm curious to see what he looks like. I've been saying that David Lee Roth, they're saying he's falling apart. He does kind of look kind of sad. And you know who looks the saddest to me? I feel bad. Billy Idol. When I watch Billy Idol on YouTube now, like the recent Billy Idol, I don't know. I kind of think, you know, Billy, maybe you should hang it up. Anybody know Alice Cooper's real name? I used to know it. I don't remember anymore. Does he even still sing? Feed My Frankenstein. Nita Strauss tearing it up while Alice Cooper watches. The evolution of Alice Cooper. He looks like that actor, not Ben Stiller, but the other guy. Alice Cooper's greatest hits. We got another arrow. See? I don't even have to be looking. Poison is his classic song. Yeah, well, I use it just for a measurement tool. I don't use it for entries. I do use it for entries, but not in the standard way that people say, we had a bullish dealing range or a bearish dealing range, and if we pull back 60%. I like to mark off my entry of a trade. Oh yeah, I'm getting into a trade. Should I be? I don't even know. I forgot. I went to sleep. I don't think so. I'm closing it. I don't want to be in a trade. I don't want to be in a trade. Vincent. That's it. Vincent. It does sound familiar. Vincent Damon Fernier. I don't remember the last part. The Damon Fernier part. Sounds French. But really, Poison? Alice Cooper, Only Women Bleed. From the bottom. No, from the Trashes World Tour. No More Mr. Nice Guy. That was a good one. School's Out. Classic. Poison. Let's watch Poison. 2022. Okay, that's about as close as you're going to get. 2022. Legendary frontman introduces Alice Cooper. Guys, have you heard of I don't know her name. I think it's Nikki. Hailstorm? And she spells it weird. HAELESTORM or something like that. She sings metal. Really good. I have her on repeat also. I watch Alice Cooper. Wow, 2025. Well, you can't get more recent than that. And he still wears his makeup. That's crazy. I gotta know one more thing because he's even wearing his makeup. Alice Cooper in Huntsville, full show. Think about it, guys. My dad passed away when he was 80. Of course, to my kids, he was grandpa. Grandpa. These guys are like in their 70s and 80s. And they're up on stage. And they're singing, and most of them are moving. And I think Mick Jagger is the most incredible example of all of this. I am curious to see how old he is. I really do have to know. Then I'll go back. How old is Alice Cooper right now? Alice Cooper is... Birth date? He was born in 1948. That makes him 17 years older than me. That puts him at 77. Wow, 77 years old. And he still has an interest to go up on stage and sing. Well, they must really love it, eh? There must be something about performing that they're still going. At 80. Let's go see him in 2025 and see what it looks like. Oh, I just heard another alarm. What do we got now? We got a bullish candle. Oh, my entry would have been good. Damn, I'm... Oh, sorry. No, I didn't mean to laugh. I thought you were going to write... Sorry, Skeletor. I thought you wrote, damn, I'm 46 and my knees gave out. I didn't get... It's on another line. I didn't see it. I take back. I apologize sincerely, Skeletor. I wasn't laughing at that. I didn't see it. I just thought you were going to talk about your arthritic knees at 46 or something. I got ahead of myself. My condolences. I'm sorry. I feel terrible. $1 Billion Babies. That was a good one too. Where's my I'm 18? Another one. Wow, he had a lot of good songs, but where's the 2025 concert? I guess, let's just type in Alice Cooper 2025. Let's make my search easy. I hope I don't cringe. I mean, most of these guys are still really doing well. Alice Cooper, full concert in September of 2025. Always the same blonde girl up on stage with him, eh? Is his daughter? Look at him, all dressed up with the top hat, the cane. He looks like Willy Wonka. But me back right now hurts. Yeah, everything hurts. Uh-huh. The generation of rockers will soon end. We're gonna unfortunately have to start hearing about Ace Frehley from Kiss, just passed away. They're all up there. They're all in the 70s and 80s. And I don't know. My son has a theory that they're going to live forever, but I don't think. Or a really long time. But I think we're going to start to see more and more headlines. Well, not I think, obviously, just statistically speaking. They're not in their 40s anymore. And 90 is a good long life, so okay, 11:17. That was a good stream for a very quiet Thanksgiving's morning. Let's just see what my account is at. Drum roll, please. 67. I added another $3 on that get out quick trade that I didn't want to kind of be in, not in the mood. Those arrows are kind of working, I think. I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm not streaming tonight. That would be ridiculous. Last night was totally crazy, quiet. There was, I think, 12,000 contracts that traded by the end of the evening. And with today being Thanksgiving and a quiet day, and then tomorrow the markets close early, and it being the weekend, I don't even think 12,000 contracts will trade. So no stream tonight. Take the evening off. I already invited my son over for supper. And I'll probably be here in the morning, just hang out a little bit for an hour and a half. 9:15 or earlier. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I hope you guys had a couple of laughs, had some fun. Omnius, Skeletor, Darius. I have a hard time saying your name, Darius. Lick 3 Raider. We talked about it. Lick Raider. Liquidity Raider. I never know what to say on that one. What else? Who else? Cool Dude. Smooth Operator. It's too bad you guys didn't have your chance to play. We're going to call it Pick 4. C'est la vie. And we'll see you tomorrow. Yep. Have a good one, guys. Take care.